I'm Annie Craft from Dirty Annie's, and today I'm going to show you a quick 10-minute hack on how to finish these cute Christmas charts. Today I'm going to show you how to finish the Feliz Naughty Dog chart. I've already done its complimentary one, OMG, they got me a whole tree. And I love these because we made some handcrafted, hand-painted wooden buttons to adorn these two charts with. And I got them actually, my friend Haley made them for me. So if you guys need custom buttons, just drop me a line and I am happy to tell you exactly where I got them from. Haley also made me these little cutout shapes, which I then painted. I used Maison Blanche chalk paint with some crackle medium to make it look kind of old, I guess. And I love the shape. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these little things. They're 5 inches and you can get them in a huge package on Amazon. They're for making like tiles and coasters and giant Scrabble letters. But this is my go-to size. I usually keep them in 4 inches and 5 inches. And what I'm gonna do is take some of this double-sided craft tape and just stick some on. And this is a really quick and easy way to finish your little cross-stitch charts. And usually it takes under 10 minutes. I'm going probably a little bit slower because I'm trying to explain everything, but this is very fast. So if you want to make some of these to give out as Christmas gifts, Secret Santa, it really doesn't take that long. Oh, did I show y'all the little star on this? This comes with the chart. It's a little gold star. And that's made out of wood that we handcrafted. Haley again. I'm going to take this quilt batting and just set it on top. And then I'm going to trim the edges. Now the next thing I'm going to do is mark a center line. Oops, excuse me. So if this is 5 by 5, we're going to make a line that is 2.5 inches from the end. And same going the other way. All right. And now I'm going to find the center point of my chart. So I'm looking at those little arrows in the center of my pattern to see where my middle is. It looks like I'm going to take my little needle and just use it to find my way to the top. Then I'm going to resume with my pencil where I know it won't be seen. And then I'm going to take a Sharpie marker just on the very edge and mark off that midpoint. Now I'm going to do that for all 4 sides.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Okay, now I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to use my ruler on the wrong side of the chart to make a line with pencil right down the middle. If you're using darker fabric, you can use one of those white chalky pencils that they use for embroidery. Now, I'm going to take this pre-prepared concoction. I'm going to put some double-sided tape on it. Let me trim a bit of this fabric off. Okay. I'm going to peel off the top bit of tape. I'm going to place this right in the crosshairs so that my plus signs match. I'm going to fold over the top and stick it to the tape. Just like that. Time to do the bottom.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Oh, this is so cute. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is attach some pom-poms. Oh, excuse me. These are Sizzle from Lady Dot. And every time I use something from my stash like this, I always chop off the end so I know it's not the full 3 yards or 2 yards, that I've got to order more. Okay, I'm going to use the tacky glue to glue this right on.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay, now I'm going to glue the front part to the back part. Gonna stand up so I can eyeball this. Oh, this is so cute. Now I'm going to put a heavy book on it and let it dry for about 20 minutes. That's it, they're all finished. It didn't take much time at all, just a little tape and glue and paint. I hope that you guys love this as much as I do.